Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start our exercise number 9.1. Let's start our question number 1. The question statement is, in the right angled triangles not drawn to scale. Students, all the triangles given to us in question number 1 are not drawn according to scale. They are just assumptions. Measurements in centimeter. All the given measurements are having unit of centimeter. Two of the sides are indicated in the figure. Find the value of x in each case. Students, they provide us the measurements of two sides and we have to find out the measurement of third side. Now let's start our part 2. Here is our triangle. As you can see, this is a right angle triangle. Students, you know, in last lecture you understand about the sides name of right angle triangle. Here is our base indicated by A, here is our hypotenuse indicated by C, and here is our altitude indicated by B. Now students, let's start our solution by using Pythagoras theorem. First we wrote hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude whole square. You know that hypotenuse is equal to C square, then base is equal to A square, and altitude is equal to B square. Now we will put the values of A, B and C. As you know, C is equal to 8, so we will write 8 centimeter whole square. We don't know the value of A, so we'll write x here. Then the value of B is 6 centimeter whole square. Now we will open the squares. 8 centimeter whole square is equal to 64 centimeter square. X square wrote as it is, and 6 centimeter whole square wrote as 36 centimeter square. Now student, 36 is adding into x. On going to other side, it will subtract from 64 centimeter square. When we subtract 36 centimeter square from 64 centimeter square, we got 28 centimeter square is equal to x square. Student, as you can see that 28 centimeter square is a value of x square, but we have to find out the value of x. To find out the value of x, we will take square root on both sides. It means we will take square root of 28 centimeter square as well as square root of x square. Student, as you know that we cannot get the perfect square of 28, so we will factorize it. The numbers which are making square will wrote out of the square root, and the number which are not in square form will wrote in the square root. So the value of x here is equal to 2 square root 7 centimeter. So the answer is x is equal to 2 square root 7 centimeter. Now students, here is our part 4. Here is our triangle. This is our base indicated by A, this is our altitude indicated by B, and here is our hypotenuse indicated by C. As you know that both measurements of base and altitude are given, we have to find out the value of hypotenuse. Now let's start. Here is our solution by using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. C square is equal to A square plus B square. Now we will put the values of A, B and C. We don't know the value of C, so we will write x here. A is equal to 24, so we will write 24 centimeter whole square. The value of the value of B is 7, so we will write 7 centimeter whole square here. 24 centimeter square को जब हम ओपन करेंगे, we got 576 centimeter square. 7 centimeter whole square, we got 49 centimeter square. By adding both values, we got 625 centimeter square. As you know students, we have to find out the value of x, so we will take square root on both sides. Now students, here is the working of our square root, and the square root of 625 is equal to 25. Square of x cancelled with square root, so the value of x is equal to 25 centimeter. Here is our part 6. This triangle contains the value of base and altitude. We have to find out the value of hypotenuse. By using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. C square is equal to A square plus B square. Now we will put the values of A, B and C. We don't know the value of hypotenuse, so we will write x here. As base is equal to 6, we will write 6 centimeter whole square. The altitude is equal to 8, so we will write 8 centimeter whole square. Now we open the squares. 6 centimeter whole square is equal to 36 centimeter square, and 8 centimeter whole square is equal to 64 centimeter square. Now students, both numbers are adding with each other, so the answer is 100 centimeter square. We have to find out the value of x, so we will take square root on both sides. Here is the working of square root, and square root of 100 is equal to 10, and centimeter square cancelled with square root, so we got centimeter. X square cancelled with square root, we got x, so the value of x is equal to 10 centimeter.